Hi, and welcome to yet another Zoho Analytics Business App Integrations video demo. In this video, we'll walk you through the Freshdesk Advanced Analytics connector powered by Zoho Analytics. With the Advanced Analytics, you can gain a complete view of the ticket trends and keep a tab on key metrics like response time, resolution time, customer satisfaction rating, and much more. It also helps improve your customer service process with real-time insights. Now let's get started with the setup process. Log into Zoho Analytics. Click Import Your Data button. Navigate to IT and Help Desk tab and select Freshdesk from the listed sources. Specify a unique name for your workspace. Zoho Analytics needs the Freshdesk's API key to authenticate and import data. To access the API key, log into your Freshdesk account. Go to your profile settings and copy the API key. Enter the subdomain and the API key copied from your Freshdesk account. Click Authenticate Freshdesk. In the next section, select the modules and fields from which the data should be imported. Cleanup option helps to remove older data. You can remove data at one of the intervals. Select the data time zone of your Freshdesk account. You can choose to sync your data at a particular time every day or every few hours. You can even sync every 1 hour with our enterprise plan. Click Create to save the setup. You may have to wait a few minutes for the initial fetch to be completed. You will be notified through email once the setup is completed. The Advanced Analytics for Freshdesk comes with 80 plus inbuilt domain-specific reports and dashboards. You can also create custom reports with just a few clicks. Let's now see how to create a chart that analyzes the monthly trend of the tickets created with the easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface to suit your varied requirements. Add Created At column in X-axis, ID column in Y-axis, and ticket priority column in the color shelf, and click here to generate the graph. Let's see how to create a pivot that summarizes the tickets reports. Add name column to the row shelf and ID, resolved tickets, overdue tickets, and escalated tickets columns to the data shelf, and then click here to generate pivot. Design visually appealing and interactive dashboards with a few simple clicks. Add KPI widgets, images to embellish the appearance of your dashboard. You can also add multiple tabs in your dashboard. Get started with the Advanced Analytics connector for Freshdesk to optimize your customer support services. Thank you for watching this demo. For further inquiries, shoot us an email at support@zohoanalytics.com or call us on one of our toll-free numbers.